Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday, happy 2020 market webcast. Hope everybody had a great day off yesterday, great new year. The market has picked up where it left off. We talked on Tuesday about the one thing I really wanted to see on Tuesday was whether or not the market could close below the 9-day, which at the time was down around 24. Let's just go to the hourly chart now. So it was a great push down off the open, and then you can see into the close they gave it up, ended up closing up in around 36. So we didn't do a lot of trades on Tuesday, but the trades we did do were really nice. We shorted it down from 26, shorted it down from 23, and then we bought 20. But went into the holiday flat. Then last night they had another chance, they being the Bears. They opened the tape right at the weekly pivot. So initially we had put out a short setup to see if they wanted to fade that right off the open. There was almost immediately no interest in that happening. So once that weekly pivot starts to show itself as support, then we change the setup to a long setup. Little bit of heat down to 36, but nothing all that dramatic. And we trade as high as 51 overnight. So as we head into today, I think that the onus is on the bulls now to make a higher high. They should take out 54 today. We're talking about 3 handles from the Globex high, and 4.5 handles from where we're trading as I'm talking to you now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So I think the bulls have to take charge, make that higher high. If they can do that, then you can see them, start to bleed things up again. It's a rally that everybody will fight. A lot of people out there are expecting some kind of a pullback for January, this, that, or the other thing. Look, there's a lot of January left, okay? There are, there are 22 trading days in January. We're just getting started. In my experience, typically early in the month, it doesn't, they don't ring the bell and it dies in January typically. It usually takes a little bit of time. I'm not saying it's going to happen at all. I don't really care. We're just following price over here. And right now, what price tells me is if you can't take out the 9-day, which was the most important support level in all of 2019, consistently, especially in the last 6 months of the year. If you open up with an opportunity to kiss the weekly pivot and die, that was the opportunity they had yesterday, and you blow that, and then establish weekly pivot as support, then it may be a move up that everybody hates, but it's going to be a move up. Now, is it done at 51? I don't know. But as important as the 9-day was on Tuesday, making a new all-time high today is just as important for the bulls. For the Bears, look, you can see it right here. Go convert 38. Okay? And then we can talk again about the 9-day, which is at 31. But I don't want to hear about it up at 50. They have a lot of work to do. They had 2 golden opportunities in the last 24 to 36 market hours, and they blew them both. So that's got me long. We have runners from last night, and it's a nice little start to the year. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. More stuff out on social. We're going to be putting out a webinar schedule. There's going to be subscriber webinars. There's also going to be free webinars, at least a couple this month, starting next week. So I will have that out on social. Check that out. Take care. Trade them well. Start your year right, and get yourself in here and trade with the room. Come and be successful at this stuff. We will help you get there. I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Take care. Happy New Year. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.